Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing, delicious, flaky meat pie. This turned out so yummy-cious. It's easy to make and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try because it's definitely a must-try recipe. Try it and let me know the outcome in the comment section. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in flour followed by grated nutmeg, powdered milk. I'll add in vegetable seasoning as well, turmeric powder, which is totally optional, and salt. I'll stir those ingredients together till well combined. Once it's well combined, I'll go ahead and grate in margarine. You can use butter instead of the margarine, but when it comes to pie, I prefer using margarine. So I'll grate in, or you can chop it into smaller pieces, add it to it, mix it together until it forms a breadcrumbs consistency. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So after you've mixed it until it has formed a breadcrumbs consistency like this, create a well in the middle and add in egg, which is also totally optional. You can do this recipe without the egg as well. I'll then add in water, which is the last ingredient, and I'll mix all these ingredients together till it form a dough. But the water, I didn't add it to it all at once, ladle at a time until it form a dough. Once it has formed a dough, don't overwork it. Knead it for about 2 minutes, cover it with a cling film and let it sit in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 40 minutes or until it is ready to be used. So once it is resting, let's go ahead with the filling. For the filling, obviously you can use any veggies of your choice. In my saucepan, I added in olive oil, which is about a tablespoon of olive oil. I added in chopped onion, carrots and green peas. So the vegetables that I'm using, they are all totally optional. I stirred it and let it cook for about 2 minutes. I then added in vegetable seasoning, chili flakes, and then corned beef. You can use minced meat instead of the corned beef. I'll stir this and let it cook for about 2 minutes more and add in green bell pepper. Don't overcook it, you just want to bring everything together. At the end, it's going to the oven, it will also cook there. So this is the amazing feeling that you're looking for. That's it. When you get to this point, it's ready. Do not overcook it. Set it aside and let it cool down completely before using it. Once it cools down, I sprinkle a little bit of flour on my work surface. I then transfer the dough on my work surface and then divided the dough into 6 equal parts. I kept 5 aside, work with 1. So I'll press it a little bit with my fingertips and go in with the rolling pin. I'll roll it. The thickness should be around 5 to 6 millimeters, and then I use a bowl that has a round surface. I cut a round shape. That's what you're looking for. Before you put the filling in the middle, make sure you brush the edge with water and then add in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the filling, depending on the size that you're going in for. But I use about 2 tablespoons. I then flip it and fold it. Make sure you pinch the edge so it's sealed well, and use the fork to go in and make sure it's really sealed well. Basically, that's what you're looking for. It's very easy, guys. It's easy. This is the easiest recipe you will ever made. I know most of you knows how to do meat pie, but sometimes it's good to incorporate new methods, and trust me, you will love it. You will love it. After brush the surface with egg wash, use a fork to create holes in the middle and bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 25 to 30 minutes. But if you want it to be more flaky, make sure you bake it for around 40 minutes. this will be more flaky and it will turn out delicious, guys. But my son loves it like this, I love it like this, I love it like this, guys. This is yumicious, it's ginamicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, give it a share, follow my page. See you, bye bye.